Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 4, 2021. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has welcomed the United States government's announced commitment to donate millions of doses of COVID-19 vaccines to Latin America and the Caribbean. The Joseph Biden administration announced the donation plan yesterday.
Certainly, it will not be enough, even in the first instance, to satisfy our total demand to bring us to herd immunity. But we welcome it and appreciate it as a continuing example for rich countries who have surpluses to make them available right across the world, right across the globe. Not necessarily entirely by grant, but certainly available for purchase. Jamaica.
On the local front, the Prime Minister says Jamaica has put aside the fiscal resources to purchase the vaccines that are needed.
We welcome grants, but we also want equitable access. And so I want to take this opportunity to express our appreciation to the United States for this measure. We are hopeful that Jamaica will get a significant share of the allotment for the region.
The city of Kingston has received its latest investment to bring it closer to cementing its status as the lifestyle, cultural, and music hub of the Caribbean. On Tuesday, ground was broken for a $7 billion 14-story residential complex dubbed the Residences at Terra Nova off Waterloo Road. 91 1-, 2-, and 3-bedroom luxury units are expected to be completed in 2 years' time. The complex will be eco-friendly, complete with amenities such as a state-of-the-art indoor gym and outdoor exercise spaces, meditation garden, rooftop jogging trail, infinity pool, and lounge. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has welcomed the development, in particular the 400 jobs to be created during the construction phase and more long-term employment expected upon completion.
The objective of this new expansion is to fulfill the growing demand for additional accommodation to complement and boost Kingston's tourism offerings. Kingston is fast gaining traction as a cultural tourism destination. Investment in infrastructure is also enhancing the capital city as a place of choice to live, work, do business, raise your families, and retire in paradise in this region.
The Denham Town Primary and Infant School has officially been renamed in honor of the former Prime Minister, the late Most Honorable Edward Seaga. The school was renamed during an official ceremony at the institution yesterday.
It gives me great pleasure to officially rename the Denham Town Primary and Infant, the Edward Seaga Primary and Infant School, in honor of one of the founding fathers of our nation, a visionary and courageous leader and statesman who made it his life's work to improve the conditions of the masses.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he has no doubt that the school will continue to be a beacon of hope in the community. Education Minister Favour Williams says the change is appropriate as the name Edward Philip George Seaga is synonymous with excellence as a nation builder, visionary, and patriot.
Mr. Seaga believed in education and wanted to see the lives of people improved through education and training. This was evidenced in 1982 when, as Prime Minister, he established the Human Employment and Resource Training Program that we know as HEART to provide job-related training for school leavers and dropouts on a wide scale throughout Jamaica.
Meanwhile, the National Education Trust, NET, has received commendations for its effective management of the One Laptop or Tablet per Child initiative. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams says the initiative is working well. She made the statement at a recent ceremony where the Rotary Club of New Kingston handed over 10 tablets to the initiative.
We're going to continue this drive, and your donation gets us further along that road, and we're not going to stop, we're not going to relent until we accomplish that goal of having all our students so equipped with the technology.
Meanwhile, another 12 devices are being donated to the One Laptop or Tablet per Child initiative, courtesy of Brescia Limited. The tablets, along with protective cases, were recently handed over to the Education Ministry. 3 of them will be deployed to the Bureau of Gender Affairs for use within the National Shelter for Victims of Domestic Abuse. 6 will be issued to the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, while the remaining 3 tablets will be presented to a school in St. Thomas, the home parish of Brescia Limited CEO and co-founder Randy McLaren. In addition to the devices, 200 reusable face masks produced by the company are also being donated for distribution to students who will be sitting CSEC this year. And finally, government has established a Soil Health Committee at the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries to support Jamaica's food security. The committee is comprised of technical officers from the Agricultural Land Management Division, the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA, and other stakeholders. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green made the announcement in Parliament recently.
This committee, Madam Speaker, will pay keen attention to improving health, yield, and profitability of soils, promoting further education and adoption of healthy soil practices. The committee will also develop a soil health tool that farmers and technical teams can use to provide a quick and basic evaluation of the health of the soil that is being utilized.
The Public Infrastructure Management Committee has approved the Soil Fertility Mapping Project for Sustainable Agriculture in Jamaica. It's a joint project between the Ministry of Agriculture and the Moroccan National Institute for Agricultural Research. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.